everyone, I am Sabrina and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be discussing three things. I'm going to talk about a person that I am looking for, and I'm going to show my new blanket design and talk about it for a little bit. And then I'm so happy to discuss one of my friends who is a wonderful designer. So I hope you will join her and get some of her patterns and enjoy it all because she's absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna pause now and then I will get to the person I'm looking for right here. Okay, so I will start with a person I'm looking for right here on YouTube. Not so long ago, I did a video to announce the winner of a giveaway, which was to do with Boys Aaron. There was Boys Aaron, and there was a little surprise gift inside as well, which I don't want to say too much. And there's of course a card to say congratulations, you have won this giveaway. And I have announced the winner. Sadly, she has not got in touch with me. However, I'm a little bit puzzled. So, her name is Joyce Rosson. Or is it Joyce Rosson? I don't know. Joyce Rosson, please, if you see this, get in touch. Yesterday, you wrote a comment on, no, sorry, was it 2 days ago? 2 days ago, you wrote a comment on one of my videos. And I responded to your comment saying you should watch the winner announcement video because there might be a surprise for you. Please, you need to really get in touch with me. I will give you another week to do so. If I don't hear from you after, sadly, I will have to pick another winner, and I wouldn't want you to miss out because this is for you. You won this giveaway. So please get in touch. I will put my email address in the description box below. Please, please get in touch. This is for you. Okay, now I am super proud and super happy to finally be able to show you my latest blanket design. I will be doing a tutorial in the next few days, and hopefully by Tuesday at the latest, I will publish the video on YouTube for you to watch. So it's a crochet pattern for a baby blanket. Or of course I will explain in a video tutorial. If you want to make it much bigger, I will give you the number, you know, the repeat pattern, repeat number of stitches. It will make sense when I make the video. Right now I'm a little bit like that because I'm tired. It's been a long day. And so I'm not too sure what I'll call it. Maybe soft peaks. I'm sure you will see what I mean in a moment. So here it is. Here's my blanket. I love it, you guys. I love it. There it is. This is it. And I love the pattern. It's completely 3D. I will try and show you now. Now this is it here. Oh, I'm not showing it very well, am I? Right, okay. There it is. Do you see the stitches? Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause and I'm going to go over to my table and show you. All right, so I will try and show you as best as I can. It's not very easy, especially with bad lights. but I will try. So this is the blanket, and I love the edging, but it is so super easy to make. I will try and zoom in. There we are, because I would like to be able to show you the definition of the stitches. As you can see, it really is completely 3D. It is really amazing, you guys. I absolutely love it. It's so squishy, 3D, and it works up really, really, really quickly. I'm back. I know it's not very easy to show you, but it is super, super nice, very warm. It works up really quickly. It's such fun to make. So I will definitely be making a tutorial in the next few days and publish it on YouTube. I hope you will enjoy it. There it is. I absolutely love it. So now I'll pause and I will show you some things. Back again, and this segment is purely because this has been requested quite a few times now, that you see the doll that's behind me right here, this one. A few people have been quite keen on this one and have asked me to show this doll up close, and so I'm going to do that. But before I do that, I want to talk about the actual designer. I have tested so many of her stuff. Her name is Joanne, and I have tested quite a few blankets. I will show you one. The other two I've tested, they were gifts, so they are sadly gone. But they were such fun to make and so quick. And right there, right here, this is Rainbow the unicorn. That was an amazing testing pattern. I really, really loved it. So I will show you a blanket that I have kept because I made it for my son, and it is called the Smith blanket. I will try to show you as much as I can because it's awkward on this camera. So this is it here. This is the blanket. There's some puff stitches and there's all kinds of stuff. It's just really, really, really nice. It is truly enjoyable and we love using this blanket. It's so nice and cozy. You can just cuddle up under and just watch TV or whatever you want. It's perfect. We love it so much. Okay, and now I will grab the two things behind me and I will show you up close. So I got the items now and it kind of looks bare now, doesn't it? It looks empty now. Oh, I missed them. I'll have to put them back there. Although there was only the doll. Now I will put the unicorn. So I will show you the unicorn first because she is amazing. She's called Rainbow Unicorn. And I will put all these links to the patterns in the description box below. I did test a Valentine Valentine hat, which was amazing and lots of fun. I will put the pattern link in the description box below, and the blanket, and I will put another blanket I've tested, which I think is called the Amelia blanket. Check it out. It is amazing. So now I'm going to show you the rainbow unicorn. She is amazing. She is so good. Look at her. Here she is. Yes. Different colors everywhere, right? She is super. Look at this. And her hair. I love her, you guys. I just love her. Look at her. And she's here and she's saying hello, everyone. Hello. I am Rainbow the Unicorn. Here she is in all her glory. Isn't she something? Look at her feet. Different colors everywhere. The hands and her face and her hair. And I just love the tail. Isn't that something? This is such a cute one, right? Rainbow the Unicorn. Hey, you guys. Come and pick up the pattern. Make me today. Today. Okay, so now I have put her back on here. I'm happy she's here now. She's going to stay there because she's amazing. Now, can you hear the guinea pig? He's been squeaking all night. Yeah, now that I've shut up, so has he. He's talking when I'm talking, and when I shut up, that's it, him too. Okay, I will carry on. So this one has been requested quite a few times by some people, so I am so happy to show you. So this doll, one second, you guys. I was completely distracted. My son was jumping up and down, and I didn't know where my words were for a second, so I had to pause. So as I was saying, this has been requested by quite a few people. They want to see the doll up close. So I will show you. And his name is, because it's a boy, his name is Albie. Albie the doll. And I will put his link to the pattern in the description box below. Please check these patterns out because the prices are really reasonable and the instructions are so clear and so easy to follow and such fun to make. So here is Albie. He is an amazing little boy. Check out his shoes. Here he is. And his shoes. Look at his shoes. His laces have come undone. But look! His laces have come undone. See? I just love his shoes. And there he is with his clothes. And he's got a belt. There's his belt. And there's pockets on his shirt. Yes. And there's his little face. Look at him. Hey, guys. Please check out my pattern today. Okay? He is such fun to make. I love him. I love him so much. Oh, so there we are. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video today. And I have to finish this video with but before I do, I'd like to remind you guys that there are still 2 giveaways opened, so please check them out and enter. One is opened until the end of next week on Friday, and the other one is open for 2 weeks because it's brand new. It's a Poundland giveaway. So please check them both out and enter, subscribe, like videos, and comment and all that kind of stuff, please, and share with people you know so that they will have a chance to hopefully discover me and enjoy my channel. Thank you so much. But I would like to end this video with Joyce, please. I really need you to get in touch. In the description box below is my email address. Do email me your contact details. I really want you to get this package, because otherwise I'll have to pick another winner, and that would be such a shame. So you have until next Friday to do that. And hopefully I will hear from you and you'll get this package. Thank you everyone for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet. Bye for now.